that is now collapsed. A massive tragedy has struck. So we have to do something about that. You hear me?
Yeah.
So I'm speaking to you about our soft power. I know all of us get very excited about the land. We have wrangles about them. We are now shedding blood because of the land. The land is important. But our real source of strength and power is not the land. It's not the oil in Nuoya. Plenty of oil in Nuoya. Huh? It's none of those. Our real power is who we are. The kind of people we are. The kind of spirit we have. The spirit of competition. The spirit of high achievement. The spirit of doing things well. Not takataka, but well. With skill and attention. Huh? That is what our real power is. That is what made it, that is what catapulted the Acholi Luo to a pedestal in Uganda, in Africa, and in the world. When the Europeans first made incursions here, you go to the archives in the UK, you'll find these. One European explorer after another writing that I came across a community which is unique and very unusual in the heart of Africa. And then they'll describe this community, the Acholi Luo community. They'll describe how they bring up children, how orderly things are in their home, how clean the compound is and the homestead is organized, how their governance is very systematic under the reward. You know, and how they teach skills, how they discuss issues and settle them. They were awestruck by what they found within the Acholi community that they didn't expect. So this is not new, this is ancient, this is deep in our DNA. And not just for the Acholi Luo community, for the entire Luo community, meaning the Luo community that remained behind in Ethiopia. British administration, they were administratively placed with other communities. So the Labuo are part of the Acholi community, but they were placed in Karamoja district to this day. The Kumam are Luo people, but were placed administratively in the old Iteso district. A good part of Luo was placed this side on the Ugandan side, but many on the other side with South Sudan. So really this is to do with the demarcation during the colonial period. And then of course those who were placed with other adjacent communities, they imbibed part of the culture, language, and ways of those communities. That is natural. Kumam is very much Luo people. Just like those in the Tororo area, they are Luo people. It's the Luo migration. People scattered in different directions, but it's all Luo people. Please continue.
My question.
It doesn't matter what your gift is. You're a singer, you're a composer, it doesn't matter. You're a dancer, you're a boxer, all those are important gifts. Just find that niche or niches, as in the case of the protocol bitter, and be the best. That's what matters. Don't let anybody tell you no. What is really important, you must be a lawyer. No. Parents, please don't do that. Oh, you must be a doctor. Come rain or sunshine, I want you to be a doctor. No. I want to be an engineer. No. You can be anything, and any of those things are wonderful opportunities for you to uplift yourself and to serve society. But just be the best in whatever that field is. Make the most of whatever those gifts are which God has given. That's it.